Hey, what's up, gamers? Welcome back to the channel. If you're all about mobile gaming and looking for smart ways to level up your gaming experience, then you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks. Today, I'm about to share an incredible method to take your gaming experience to the next level. We're talking about an easy way to maximize your in-game resources with Capybara Go Hack, with no hassle, no expensive in-app purchases, and absolutely no need for advanced technical knowledge. This trick is super simple and works on both iOS and Android, so stick around until the end to make sure you don't miss any crucial steps. Let's jump right into it. All right. The first thing we need is our username. Don't worry, this is just basic data, nothing complicated. To find it, open app, head over to your profile or settings, and look for your ID or username. It's usually a combination of letters and numbers. Make sure to copy or write it down because we'll need it in the next step. Got it? Awesome, let's keep going. Next up, open a web browser and go to this site, which is a special platform designed to enhance your gaming experience with Hack Tool for various popular games and apps. Once you're on the home page, use the search function to find Capybara Go Hack and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page for optimizing your in-game resources. So far, so good? Let's move on. Now, here's where things start to get exciting. You'll see a short form asking for a few details. Here's what you need to do. Choose your gaming platform, iOS or Android, and enter your player ID or username that you copied earlier. Double-check your info and hit the Proceed button. This will establish a secure connection to the game servers. Just sit tight for a few moments while it processes. Now comes the fun part. Once your profile is linked, you'll see different resource options: gold, gems, energy, or whatever is available in Capybara Go. Select the amount you need. You can do this multiple times if you run out of resources in the future. Once you've made your choice, click Proceed and wait for the system to work its magic. Almost done. To finalize everything, you may need to complete a quick verification step. This is just to confirm you're a real player and not a bot. Don't worry, it's quick and straightforward. You'll need to complete a short task, like downloading an app or answering a quick survey. Follow the instructions carefully, and you'll be done in no time. If you're not sure how to complete the verification process, don't sweat it. The site includes a video tutorial to guide you step by step. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be all set. I've already completed this process myself, so I won't be doing it again here. But trust me, it's super easy and worth the effort. Time to hop back into the game and check out the results. Just look at that. Gems balance is loaded up after a couple of seconds. Now I can enjoy the game with unlimited gems. Imagine what you can do with all those extra resources. And that's all. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Also, make sure to subscribe with notifications turned on so you never miss my latest gaming tips, tricks, and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy gaming.